Daisy, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Other side, Lily. What a gloriously sunny day! Look at it! I mean, the sun is low, but it's there and it's beautiful. I'm loving it, having to get the sunnies out. So I've just arrived at the hospital for my respiratory, post-COVID respiratory checkups. Again, this is a follow-up to my previous checkups. Let's get in there and see how it all goes. I forgot to say, bag of the day is the Marc Jacobs denim mini tote. I am loving this thing. All done. Got a little bit told off for not doing my homework properly, so I need to practice more, but yeah, all good. They want to see me in 3 months, so I don't know how that's going to work out with moving. If they're going to refer me to a more local hospital, or if I've got to come back here, I don't know that yet, but I'm going to grab a cab and go home. Change of plan. I told the lion that I was done, and he said he'll come and pick me up, so I'm just going to enjoy the sunshine. It's trying to go behind that building already, but so yeah, I'm just going to stand here, enjoy the sunshine and wait for him to come and get me. Mostly there. This is the bed that I told you about, the spare bed, that when we had the girls they tried to tunnel out of it. So yeah, goodbye spare bed. The girls would like to thank you for your services as a scratching post as they were settling into their new home. Right, let's load up the rest of it and get it to the tip. Are you taking your ones to it as well? Or have you taken stuff out of there?
These aren't my ones, they're all...
No, these are mine, these are yours.
Yeah, but these, I mean, they're not of use to
alright, fine. No, that's good then, we'll get rid of them. Yeah. Charity! She's a maniac on the roads.
Did I get it in that?
Yeah, right, close up the garage, let's go. We got a McDonald's. That's our treat after going to the tip. Trying to get the girls in for lunch. I think Lily's up for it, but maybe not Daisy. She in the tree still? No. Where is she? Daisy! She's probably on the bed.
She's probably on the bed. Lily, come on.
The lion opts for... Sorry. The lion has opted for a little cheeseburger and some nugs and I've gone for a Big Mac, classic McDonald's. I'm also going to attempt to drink the thickest substance known to man, which is a McDonald's milkshake. Want some foodies? Yeah.
This? Sure? Okay.
This is not, repeat, not a murder scene. We've just dismantled, or the lion's just dismantled his stormtrooper. Just look at everything around me. Just look at it all. It's another trip to the tip. I'm hoping this is the last one because we are literally out of time. The removals men show up at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, excuse me, to pack up the house. I just had lunch really quickly to make the appointment for the tip, because you've got to make appointments, which is alright actually, because it means that you're not stuck in a queue outside for an hour. Time's gone by. So yeah, I've got loads of stuff. The back of the car is completely full, and then I've got to get home and do a dry run with packing the car up with all the girls' stuff ready for the big move. I am a little stress monkey, total stress monkey. The lion and I aren't sleeping. We're just so stressed about everything, and it's so cold. It's supposed to be like -3 with snow now in a couple of days when we move. Ridiculous. Let's get this done and get home. All the tinsels. That's about as close to any Christmas shopping as I'm going to get. I am in B&Q because our carbon monoxide alarm decided to develop a fault and continue beeping this morning. So I'm here buying a replacement. Happy Vlogmas. Back from the tip, back from B&Q. The lion sorted out the carbon monoxide monitor. The removal men come tomorrow. We are stressed. That's the sound of him going through stuff in his office next door. We are stressed. I want to sit down. I can't sit down because my monitor box is on the screen. It is on my chair. And I'm feeling a bit grinchy. So I'm wearing my Grinch, naughty by nature. Feeling a bit grinchy. We're not sleeping. We're really not sleeping. And I have to get this down, and this is my last opportunity to do it. So I've got a couple of things. I think I'm going to try and get everything into one big suitcase. We'll see how I go with that. But I've got some boxes at the top from my Saint Laurent box and my Louis boxes and all of that stuff. And I've got our massive Louis Vuitton box that our Keepall 55 was delivered in, because it wasn't delivered flat, it was delivered with an airbag in it, full size, fully open. So I'm thinking about using Louis for the go bag for like an overnight stuff, so we've got things to hand and we don't have to root around through boxes first thing in the morning, and we'll keep our important documents in there and everything. And then I can use the box that it came in to put all the other boxes in, and then just seal that up. But yeah, it's been so cold, and there were news reports of cars being stuck on the M25 because of the snow, and it looks like we're expecting snow when we move, and the removals men will be here soon to pack everything up. So we need to make sure we've got everything out that we need to keep out, and then hopefully we'll be able to breathe again once we're there. Oh my god, the girls are so skittish. They've seen all of these boxes, everything came out of the loft. They're like, what the hell is going on here? And it's just a lot. So I'm sorry that Vlogmas so far has been a little less Christmassy than I would like, but I've got my Christmas hat on. Right, let's do Let's do Candy Kittens. Let's do Harrods Advent Calendars. Let's do my homemade Advent Calendar. And then pack all of this up. So it's day 8. So what does that mean? What did we eat yesterday? 12 and 13, was it? 12 and 13. Yes, so 14 up here and 15. Those were upside down. 1, 10, 24, 17, 20, 15. Right there. Okay, let's see if we've got something different inside them today. So 14 says on the back of it, if you don't take a picture of your Christmas dinner, did it really happen? #Insta. Oh, I've got a mixed one this time. I've got one of each of the little gummy ones. Because I had double apple yesterday. Box 15 has on it, task for today, pay everyone you speak to a compliment. It'll make everyone feel great. Well, you look marvellous today. All of you. This is absolutely my favourite, the sour watermelon one. Give me power! Homemade advent calendar. I've got some hair ties. Now, these are the little sort of concertina-y ones that, can you see this? Concertina-y ones like this. And I find these really, really great, especially, this is how I get my high pony quite high, when I've got my quiff and my pony in. Today, I'm just using my silk scrunchie because I've been worried about pulling on my hair too much and giving myself a headache with everything that we've been doing, going in and out of the freezing cold and everything going to the tip. It's been a lot. So yeah, I've got myself some more of these because these are brilliant. They're really easy to use. They're comfortable to wear on my wrist when I'm not actually wearing them, and I'm going to need them a lot over the next few days. Daisy has a habit of running away with these as well. She loves to play with them, and they do over time deteriorate and everything, which is why I've got myself some new ones. T-Rex Turkey and Drunk Tree are hiding the second part of today's advent calendar, and that's because the second part, oh, it's all happening, of today's advent calendar is this bottle of Laurent Perrier champagne. This is what the lion and I like to drink, and this is going on ice in our fridge to be transferred into a freezer bag to be cracked open approximately 10 seconds after we open the door on our new home. Well, that's embarrassing. I nearly forgot to do my Harrods fragrance calendar. Day 9, right at the front here. Ooh, this is a weighty, hefty piece. Let's see. Oh, this is actually in a sealed box. This is, oh, Maison Francis Kirkjian Paris Eau de Parfum. This is 724. And this is a vaporizer natural spray. 724. So I got a tester of something. Nope, this doesn't give me any flavour tips either. Got a tester of something. This is a really heavy bottle. Tester of a couple of their fragrances. I've got to say I quite liked them. So let's see what this one is like. Can't believe I nearly forgot. Can't believe I nearly forgot. Oh, it's got a little pull thing. Well, isn't that a delightful little presentation pack? 724. That's the bottle. And that's all it says. And on the other side of the label, there's an image. What is the image? It says eau de parfum, it's some Skyline. Right, let's go straight in on this one, shall we? Oh, that's fresh. Anyone who knows this fragrance, 724. Yes, I like that. I like that a lot. That is really fresh. That is so fresh. I love it. I love it. That is an absolute win. And how big is this bottle? It is 35ml. It's a hefty bottle. Definitely not tester size. Really heavy. Wow. Okay, I'm going to put this straight back in here because part of my packing everything up is I'm actually going to put all of my Harrods fragrances back into the Harrods advent calendar box for safe storage and safe travels. I'm not going to put them back into the ones they came out of because that would drive me mad trying to remember which was which. Pop the tasting notes back in there and let's break this down and get it all packed up. And that, my dear Fandabbies, is Vlogmas packed away for the time being, for a couple of days only.